You know how some apps can change your whole world around? Same as with this app, which can help you earn around $980. Keep on watching this video to the very end to know how. This method provides extra convenience. When earning money online, the main thing that people worry about is getting scammed by anyone on the internet. Such incidents have happened with people in the past, but this method and app, which we will tell you about in a minute, guarantees that you will get your earned money in no time. You can withdraw your money through a variety of ways, those ways being PayPal, PayUp, Perfect Money, Airweb Money, and a lot more. You can earn this money through this method anywhere, anytime, through any device that you own. This method ensures that you earn some money for yourself by allowing you this level of conveniences. Now let's get started. Make sure that you watch the video till the very end and very carefully so that you don't miss anything at all. This method involves Google. With Google involved, you should be convinced that this method is indeed a good way for you to earn money online. You can either hop on learndigital.google.com or you can search for Google Digital Garage on the Google search engine. This website by Google is absolutely free for anyone to use from anywhere in the world, and it offers online courses that teaches you everything that one must know about online marketing and business. You can even get certified after finishing these courses, which is a lot for you considering that these courses are all free. Google never fails to amaze us. The website offers a wide range of courses from setting up your very own website or on teaching you how to make long-term strategies for your online money earning plan. The best thing is that you can choose courses according to your time preferences as well, so something for everybody. But in this video, we will not tell you which course to take or on which area to get your certificate on. No, we will show you how you will use these courses for the learning process. These free online courses will be the main thing that'll get you earning money in no time. Open your Google Docs, and on a blank sheet document, get started with writing your very own pitch. You'll basically write as if you're addressing yourself to an audience and telling them to take these online courses for free that are certified by experts as well. Create a good pitch for yourself that can attract an audience towards your post. Then, in the end of the post, when you conclude, give the link to the Google Garage skills that provides these free courses. People, when reading your pitch, should be satisfied enough that the link that you provided with provides free online courses that are high level and taught by professionals and are even certified by experts of the field. Now, save your document as a Word file or in PDF format. Introducing the website through which you will earn money online. Uploadforever.com. This website right here will be our way into earning money online fast without any extra hard work in between. This website is one that will not only allow you to store as many files as you want, but will also pay you too. How, you may ask? Well, when someone would download one of your files, then the website in return will pay you for that. So basically, the only hard work that you would have to put in would be on your pitches. The rest will be done by the people who will download your files. Not only is this website for laptops, but you can also get access to the website on your Android phone through an app, meaning that the website is available on Google Play as well for you to download it and start earning money through it just from your phone. However, the app is not available for iOS at the moment, but this won't remain like this forever. The website can work in every region of the world. So, no matter from which country or region you belong to, this website operates everywhere. This is what one is looking for when finding a way to earn money online for themselves. That is, being able to work from any device and anywhere in the world without any restrictions in that area. The document that you just made through Google Docs will definitely get many downloads, as it is one that people will be the most interested in. Because in this day and age, everyone is looking for some online source to learn new things from. And your documents literally contains links to free online courses that can help so many people out there. Not only links to free online courses, but also certificates for them too. Now you may be wondering about how you will attract people to download your file. Don't worry, we've got you covered in that department as well, and we'll tell you about that one specific website in just a bit. The website provides proof for its authenticity itself as well. The website has featured another section for this named Payment Proof, where you'll see thousands of people withdrawing their money from, as well as the method of payment that they use to withdraw their money from. This just provides additional points to show you that this method is absolutely genius. The website in every way has provided convenience for its users and is also paying their users as well. What else would one need more? Sign up to the website to make your account. To keep a track of your earnings, sign up to the website and make your own separate account by clicking on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. After setting up your account, simply upload the document that you just created on your account. When you upload your file on your account, everyone that has an account on the platform will be able to look into the files that you upload and also download them as well. How to make around people download your files. The money that you earn depends on the number of people that download your files on the website. So, how do you make sure that your file in particular gets at least 100 downloads in one day? Well, by clicking into this link. However, to use this website, you'll have to invest a little in it as well. The website offers a great program with a guarantee and even a cashback policy. If you don't get satisfied with the services of the website, or if the website doesn't work for you with the things it's claimed, then you can easily get the money that you invested back. The way that this website will get your document hundreds and thousands of downloads is through WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the largest messaging platform out there and can easily help you achieve your target. Your investment is completely safe because, as mentioned just now, the website has a money-back policy and guarantees to pay you your money back if the site doesn't do what it claims for you. To log into this website and invest your money in it is completely optional. And if you don't have any money with you right now, then you can use the app solely for your earning purpose. So the other website mentioned in this video is just to attract more users into downloading your document. But if not, the method itself works perfectly fine on its own as well. So, no need to stress over if you don't have the money to invest in anything extra at the moment. If you cannot invest in money right now to attract people, then there are other methods that guarantee you a good audience to download your files and are completely safe and absolutely affordable as well. A variety of methods are present on YouTube and on other platforms as well. Earning money online has never been easier. And now these days, there are so many ways through which you can earn good extra money for yourself that can even turn into full-time income too. Make sure to look for every method that there is out there on the internet, and then choose one that's suitable for you and according to your comfort zone and capabilities. Making money online from the comfort of your own home has never been easier. Who isn't looking for a way to earn extra pocket money? Well, in this video, we'll tell you about an app that can help you make as much as $400 daily just from your smartphone. You can earn while being anywhere in the world. The method which we're about to tell you that can help you earn money can be used from anywhere in the world. No matter from which country or region you belong to, you can make yourself a good amount of cash on a daily basis. Make sure to watch this video till the very end. The app is none other than YouTube. The very same app that you'll use to earn around $400 a day is YouTube. We all spend the majority of our time on this video sharing platform, so why not use it to our advantage? People all over the world are able to make a good amount of money by uploading videos on this platform. In this video, we will basically tell you how you can make videos and post them on YouTube. And not just any videos, but we'll be giving you a whole unique concept for your videos that can help you earn a good amount of money fast. Now, don't you worry, we won't tell you about anything that'll require you to show your face to millions of people around the world, as we can understand how the majority of people around us are camera shy or just not comfortable putting themselves out there. Download a screen recorder app. Apart from YouTube, the second app that'll play a huge part with your means of making money is a screen recorder app. If you don't already have a built-in screen recorder on your phone, go on the Play Store and download a screen recording app that has the most number of users and good reviews. Choose what your video will be about. Your videos will be based on apps. You can choose whichever app you want to make a video on. It can be Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or even Facebook Messenger. The thing is that the majority of the people using these apps are unaware of the unique features each one of them has in it. So what do? Well, we'll use this to our advantage and make a video on just that. Through this user engagement, it's guaranteed that more and more people will watch your video because it's something that they don't know about or didn't even think about. Videos like these go viral in minutes, and this will help you in gaining more views and achieving a stable audience.